Me and my cousins always played together as we went through the days together. And one day we started to play Roblox together. Then all started with me. I asked them, can we play Roblox? They said, yes, I can't. They downloaded Roblox and we started playing. We enjoyed playing together. One day we found a scary game. So we decided to play it out of our scaredness. We got so scared that I screamed. And they said, don't worry, we'll always be together forever. They came to me on Roblox. Whenever I didn't call them yet, they'll always join me on Roblox. When I thought they're still sleeping, they might be the kindest. They always join me without any permission. They always type, how are you? What are you doing? They always play with me. They never go without me. Both of them said they were planning to stay. I can't go anywhere without you. They'll never leave me alone. No matter what stage, we'll always be together until the end, yeah, the end. As our hearts go beating, as we always talk together, as we always call each other when we are playing. We always play together as our heart beats hard, as we always play together. We'll never leave each other, as we are always friends, as we are always friends. You never believe me that we all play now every day. We never leave each other, but sometimes when we're playing a maze, we might accidentally leave each other and reset our game. So we can meet each other again. But if you can't leave, you can't reset. How are we gonna meet each other again? We run away, go back to where we joined the game. We meet each other and dance together. If one of us doesn't have a dance, we just jump around, meeting each other happily. We just jump around, meeting each other happily, never leaving each other as we are cousins anyways. Why would we leave each other if we are cousins anyways?